Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
I am thinking about myself and also, O best amongst the demigods, about you, as well as about all the demigods, sages, denizens of Pitralok, devotees of the Lord, and all men obedient to the system of Varn and Ashram in human society. To effect the perfection of human life, there is cooperation between men and demigods, sages, denizens of the Pitralok, devotees of the Lord, and the scientific system of Varn and Ashram orders of life. The distinction between human life and animal life therefore begins with the scientific system of Varn and Ashram, guided by the experience of the sages in relation with the demigods, gradually rising to the summit of re-establishing our eternal relation with the Supreme Absolute Truth, the personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna. When God made Varnashram Dham, which is strictly meant for developing animal consciousness into human consciousness, and human consciousness into godly consciousness, is broken by advancement of foolishness, the whole system of peaceful and progressive life is at once disturbed. In the age of Kali, the first attack of the venomous snake strikes against the God-made Varnashram Dham, and thus a person properly qualified as a Brahman is called a Shud. And a Shud by qualification is passing as a Brahman, all on a false birthright claim. To become a Brahman by a birthright claim is not at all bona fide, although it may be a fulfillment of one of the conditions. But the real qualification of a Brahman is to control the mind and the senses, and to cultivate tolerance, simplicity, cleanliness, knowledge, truthfulness, devotion, and faith in the Vedic wisdom. In the present age, consideration of the necessary qualification is being neglected, and the false birthright claim is being supported even by a popular, sophisticated poet, the author of Ramcharitmanas. This is all due to the influence of the age of Kali. Thus Mother Earth, represented as a cow, was lamenting the regrettable condition.